This is the iodine clock reaction. Wait to see the best part of this reaction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow, that is amazing! Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Periodic Chemistry, and in this video I'll be showing an experiment called the iodine clock reaction. And for this experiment you can find stuff easily at your home. So let's get started. So let's start the iodine clock reaction experiment. So you'll need 2 glasses and some hot water. Then you'll need cornstarch. You'll need vitamin C tablets. And you'll need white colored vitamin C tablets since the whole experiment is based on color. Then you need a beater, some hydrogen peroxide and iodine. Iodine over here I have taken as a source of betadine gargles which contain 5% iodine. Start off by taking a vitamin C tablet and just cover it with some paper like I have did over here. And now using your beater, just beat this tablet. Yeah, I'm just gonna beat it completely. And now we're gonna add it to the hot water. So when you add it, you will see some fizzing, which is completely normal since there is some ascorbic acid in the vitamin C tablets. That's why there is some fizzing. So yeah, we're just gonna mix it. And this is our solution A, right? So in this solution, now we'll also add the iodine. So this is the iodine. Now the concentration of the iodine depends on you. I have taken 5% iodine. Now we're just gonna add the iodine. So iodine is yellowish in color, but when we add it, we'll see that the yellowish color actually decolorizes and it just forms this white colored substance. This is due to the reaction between ascorbic acid present in vitamin C tablets as well as the iodine, which I'll further, elaborate later when I'll explain the experiment. So our solution A is ready. Now we'll go on for making the solution B. So let's add some water to the solution B. Yeah. Now we'll add hydrogen peroxide. I have taken the commercially available hydrogen peroxide, which is 6.5%. You can take more concentrated one. It depends on you. And the more concentrated the hydrogen peroxide will be, the more efficient will be the reaction. Now we're just gonna add some cornstarch to it. So I'm just gonna take the cornstarch. Yeah, just add 1 spoon. And we'll have a white colored solution as cornstarch is not completely soluble in water. Now we're just gonna mix it. Yeah, and now we'll mix. This is the solution B. Solution B is ready, and the previous one was solution A. Now we'll just mix them. Now you need to note that by just mixing them, the reaction won't happen. You need to juggle the solution between 2 glasses like I am doing over here. You can do this about 10 seconds and just keep the solution like this. So let's just wait about 5 seconds and we'll see the iodine clock reaction. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Wow, this is iodine clock reaction. Such beauty. So let's understand the science behind this iodine clock reaction. Iodine, which is an element, it's a non-metal. It occurs in 2 forms. First is the elemental iodine, which is electronegative, which means that it needs electron in order to achieve an octet in its electronic configuration. So what happens is that this elemental iodine is yellowish in color. While on the other hand, there's also an iodine ion, which basically has a full octet electronic configuration and it appears to be colorless in color. And yeah, basically it's a reduced form of iodine. So in ascorbic acid or vitamin C, reacts with iodine, ascorbic acid provides electrons to the elemental iodine, and yeah, due to which iodine ion is formed, which appears to be colorless. That was white because of the air bubbles. Okay, and on the other hand, when we bring hydrogen peroxide in this reaction, so hydrogen peroxide also wants to react with iodine to form elemental iodine, and vitamin C also wants to react with iodine to form iodine ion, which is colorless. So there's a fight between vitamin C and hydrogen peroxide. But in the end, what happens is hydrogen peroxide wins, and yeah, elemental iodine is produced. But since we also added some cornstarch, that's why instead of changing from white to yellowish in color, it changes from white to blue-black in color, as when iodine comes in contact with starch, it gives blue-black color. That's what the science behind the iodine clock reaction. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then share it with other people, like it, subscribe it, and thank you.